2020 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.